good morning class. We have done certain topics of chapter number 3. For regarding that, I'm sending you the video. So this is the main page of the Word. When you open it, I have written something. This is our computer class. We are doing chapter 3, advanced features of word processor. First topic we have done is applying header and footer. How to do it? First we'll go to insert tab. This is your insert tab. Click on insert tab. After inserting insert tab, there is one section, one group known as header and footer. In that header and footer you have various buttons like header, footer, page number. When I go to header button, click on header button. Then various types of the headers are shown here. Types of the headers are shown as blank, 3-column, alphabet, annual. Then you can go to next edit header. Edit header means I want to add my own header. For example, I want to write down Zoom class. I have written Zoom class here. First type when I have written I have come to header, then it was at the left side. When I press the tab key from the keyboard, this is the tab key. Press tab key, the Zoom class will be then in the center. Then again I press tab key from the keyboard, it will be at the right hand side. Similar is the case with footer. This here you can add the header. Next is how to add the footer. Again I'll go to here. Also you can see a design tab is coming here, where you can insert different page number, different odd and even page numbers. Then you have header from top. This is the height of the header, and footer from bottom. You can change the height from the top, or you can change the height from the below, that is of the footer. Next is how to insert footer. Again I'll go to the footer section, footer button. Here also you have edit footer. Click on edit footer. Then a line, dotted line will be visible, and first time the cursor is blinking at the left side of it. You can write page number. For example, I'm writing 5 page number I'm writing, and when you press the tab key, it will be shifted to the center. Second time again press tab key, it will be shifted to the right hand side. To remove it back, you can use backspace key. Next part was our page numbers. So this is the page number button. Click on page number. Here you have top of the page, then you have bottom of page. You want to add top of the page, you have to have bottom of the page, page margins, current position, format page numbers. Format page numbers we have done. Format page numbers may you can go to page format page number format dialog box appears, where number formatting is given like 1 to 3 is given, -1 to 3 is given, small ABC, capital ABC, small Roman, and so on. You can select ABC, include chapter number if you want to. Continue from the previous section means from the previous page, or I want to continue from start at my this page only, start from A. Then click on OK. Page numbers will be displayed. If it is I have not applied to, if I apply to, it will be displayed also. This all you can do in your computers, on your computers at your home also. Now next part is how to close the header and footer. This is close header and footer button. Click on this close header and footer. The header and footer which is applied here, the dotted lines, it will be closed. Dotted lines will not be there, and this is the case. And if you want to remove this, you can just press backspace key from the top, then again backspace key from the top for the header also. Then close header and footer. Header and footer will not be seen to your page. Next topic which we have done is of column and column break. For example, this is one paragraph and it is in one column only on my document page, that is single column. I want to divide it into 2 columns. Now how to do it? I want this second line to be coming in my second column. First I'll bring my cursor over here. Cursor is blinking